Linking Steam to a different Rockstar account. In this video, you are going to learn how to link Steam to a different Rockstar account. So let's get started. First, you need to go to the Steam website and log out of your existing Steam account and then log into your Steam Rockstar account. After logging in, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard and from here select Help. After tapping on Help in the drop-down menu, you will see all of these options. From here, select the option that says Support. Then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, select the options that say Social Club account. In Social Club account, you have an option that says Account Linking. Now, link your account. Link your option is available as long as you are logged in. You can request to disconnect your account from Steam. So click on the Rockstar search bar and select How Unlinking an Account or Rockstar. Follow the instructions provided on the official support page. For Steam accounts, you will need to submit a support request to disconnect your Steam account from your Social Club account. Now you just need to get the profile name for the social account you want to unlink and the Steam ID 64 for the Steam account you want to unlink. Also take a screenshot of your Steam profile showing the Steam ID at the top. Also the instructions for this are available here. Now go ahead and open your Steam account in a new tab. Next click on this link for the search results. So if you need help getting the ID, you can visit the website Steam ID. Here you have to enter your name at the top to find your Steam ID 64. After that, you will be able to link a Steam to a different Rockstar account. That's it.